Rockford's known for its long manufacturing history. Some of those products help people hurl through the sky thousands of feet in the air at hundreds of miles an hour.
It's a sign of how successful our aerospace cluster is here, and one of the biggest names in the industry stopped by looking for help from things made in the state line.
Airbus was smart coming in to do this. It was a good idea.
When it comes to building airplanes, Airbus is one of the kings of the industry. It's Boeing's main competitor. While the company may be based in France, Airbus's U.S. operations are important.
What we're doing right now is looking for suppliers that want to grow and partner with us.
That's what brought the aerospace giant to Rockford for a symposium featuring one-on-one meetings with local industry leaders. According to the Rockford Area Economic Development Council, there are roughly 90 companies in Winnebago County alone connected to aviation.
We have a lot of intellectual information here. We have a lot of people here that have background. It's not just the Woodwards or the Sunstrands or Utahs.
Airbus knows that and has for years. One of the Airbus team members at the symposium visited Rockford back in the 90s.
They sent him to Rockford to kind of talk to an existing supplier based here. So it was fun to see him, he said, 20 years later come back to see how the area's been growing in the aerospace industry. But also it tells you that Rockford was on the map 20 years ago and that Airbus, at that time, we sent a guy from Toulouse, France, all the way to Rockford.
The symposium isn't just for Airbus to build relationships. It's also an opportunity for local companies to learn about each other.
For a lot of companies today, they get to say, well, why am I using someone that's 4 states over to supply widget X when I've got someone here in Rockford that can do it for me? That's probably better price and a community relation that you wouldn't have otherwise.
Carl Decker is president of Metal Flow Incorporated. His company already makes parts for Boeing and Lockheed Martin, so he thinks working with Airbus will be an easy fit.
And because of the fact that a lot of the same standards exist and the protocols are required, it makes it something not an extensive reach for us to be able to help them or their suppliers.
And not such a reach. Airbus would look here for help, considering just about every aircraft flying today has parts or systems made in Rockford.
Here in the U.S., there's 1,500 plus Airbus aircraft flying every single day. And to know that there's a piece of Rockford on each one of those is a pretty impressive statistic.
Mizanki predicts over the next 20 years, the world will need about 35,000 new aircraft. That could be worth trillions of dollars.